Best phones. Are you looking for the best phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, edge-to-edge display and premium features. It offers 256 GB of internal storage and is unlocked, allowing compatibility with a wide range of carriers. Powered by a fast processor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra ensures smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps. A standout feature is its 200MP main camera, which provides stunning image clarity and detail. The phone also supports up to 100x zoom, enabling incredible close-ups of distant subjects. These capabilities make it a strong choice for photography enthusiasts. In addition to the main camera, the device includes an advanced multi-lens system, offering versatility for ultra-wide, telephoto, and macro shots. The S24 Ultra is equipped with an S Pen, which enhances productivity by allowing users to take notes, sketch, and navigate with precision. Its long battery life ensures all-day usage, while fast-charging capabilities minimize downtime. The phone features a premium edge-to-edge AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high brightness levels for immersive viewing. Running on the latest Android operating system, the Galaxy S24 Ultra supports AI-powered features and enhanced user experiences. It's built with durability in mind, offering robust materials and water resistance to handle everyday challenges. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is designed for users seeking top-tier performance, professional-grade cameras, and a premium smartphone experience. Whether for work, creativity, or entertainment, this phone stands out as a leading option in the market. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone designed to redefine productivity and entertainment. With 512 GB of internal storage and unlocked compatibility, it provides ample space and flexibility for users to customize their carrier preferences. This premium device combines advanced AI features with an innovative foldable design for a futuristic smartphone experience. The large foldable screen is a key highlight, delivering an immersive display for multitasking, streaming, and gaming. Its adaptable screen layout enables users to switch seamlessly between a phone and a tablet-like experience. This versatility is perfect for professionals and media enthusiasts alike. The Z Fold 6 is powered by AI-driven features, including Circle to Search, which simplifies finding information quickly, and Hands-Free Live Interpreter, a real-time translation tool for smoother communication in multiple languages. Additionally, AI photo edits enhance the quality of images effortlessly, allowing users to create professional-grade visuals with minimal effort. Running on the latest Android operating system, the smartphone delivers smooth performance with a powerful processor to handle multitasking and AI functionalities efficiently. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty in the US, ensuring peace of mind. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 combines innovative technology with a durable foldable design, making it a standout in Samsung's lineup. It caters to tech-savvy users who value advanced AI features, enhanced productivity, and an expansive screen experience, setting a high standard in the foldable smartphone market. Number 3. The Google Pixel 8a is an affordable yet feature-packed smartphone that blends Google's AI expertise with a sleek design. With 128 GB of storage, it offers ample space for apps, photos, and files, and its unlocked status allows compatibility with various carriers for flexibility. A highlight of the Pixel 8a is its advanced pixel camera, which leverages Google's computational photography to deliver stunning photos in diverse lighting conditions. From sharp portraits to vibrant low-light shots, the camera ensures professional-grade results. Google's AI enhances photo editing, making it easier to achieve polished visuals with minimal effort. The phone is designed to last all day with its 24-hour battery life, supported by intelligent power management to maximize efficiency. Users can stay connected, stream, or work without worrying about frequent recharges. Running on the latest version of Android, the Pixel 8a features seamless integration with Google's ecosystem and AI-driven tools. These include personalized assistance, intuitive voice commands, and real-time translation, enhancing the smartphone experience. Available in the Bay color, the Pixel 8a offers a modern and stylish aesthetic. Its build is compact yet durable, making it a practical choice for everyday use. With Google's focus on software updates and security, the phone is equipped to stay current and secure over time. The Google Pixel 8a is ideal for users seeking a balanced combination of performance, camera quality, and long battery life at a reasonable price point. It delivers Google's signature AI capabilities and innovation in a compact, reliable package. Number 4. The Google Pixel 9 is a premium Android smartphone that showcases Google's latest innovations in AI, performance, and design. With 128 GB of internal storage and an unlocked configuration, it provides flexibility for use with multiple carriers and ample room for apps, photos, and files. The Pixel 9 is powered by Google's Gemini chip, delivering advanced AI capabilities for smarter performance and seamless multitasking. AI-driven features enhance productivity, from personalized assistance to real-time language translation and advanced voice recognition. The 6.3-inch Actua display offers a vivid and immersive viewing experience, with vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth responsiveness. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and everyday use, making the phone a versatile choice for entertainment and work. The advanced camera system is another standout feature, equipped with Google's renowned computational photography. It captures stunning photos and videos in various conditions, with AI-powered tools for effortless editing and enhancements. The camera's capabilities include sharp low-light performance, HDR, and vibrant color reproduction. With a 24-hour battery life, the Pixel 9 ensures all-day usage. Intelligent battery management further optimizes power consumption for extended use on busy days. The phone is available in the stylish obsidian color, combining a sleek look with durability. Running on the latest Android version, it provides a clean, user-friendly interface, regular software updates, and robust security. The Google Pixel 9 is a top-tier smartphone that excels in performance, camera quality, and AI integration. It's ideal for users seeking a smart, reliable, and feature-rich device to enhance their digital lifestyle. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a versatile and affordable smartphone offering modern features and broad compatibility. With 256 GB of internal storage and support for dual SIM, it provides ample space for apps and media while allowing seamless management of two phone lines. Its fully unlocked international model ensures compatibility with major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, as well as global networks. The 6.5-inch 90Hz AMOLED display delivers smooth visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it ideal for browsing, streaming, and gaming. A higher refresh rate ensures fluid scrolling and an enhanced viewing experience. Equipped with a 50MP primary camera, the Galaxy A15 5G captures detailed and vibrant photos, making it a strong contender for everyday photography. Its camera system is designed to perform well in diverse lighting conditions, delivering sharp results in both bright and low-light environments. The phone supports 5G connectivity, offering faster internet speeds for seamless streaming, gaming, and downloads. Additionally, 4G VoLTE ensures clear voice calls and reliable connectivity across networks. Built for international and domestic use, the Galaxy A15 5G is powered by a reliable processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and everyday performance. Its battery is designed to last through the day, and the phone's durable design ensures practicality for various lifestyles. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a well-rounded smartphone offering premium features like a high-quality display, advanced camera, and fast connectivity at a budget-friendly price. It's an excellent choice for users seeking performance, flexibility, and affordability in one package.